talk. We're looking at a 1965 Sears Craftsman / David Bradley, model number 917.60028, and we'll go over some of the features it had. You can also look this up on Mike Akers' Chainsaw Collector's Corner. Very good site for all the information on these vintage chainsaws. This particular Craftsman uses a Power Products AH-47 type 1225A engine. Very popular for the go-karters. They put them in these chainsaws, and they were very reliable motors. Throttle's right here, just pretty basic stuff. Does have a throttle lock. Kill switch is right here, this little lever. Flip it up or down. Has a high-low adjustment on your carburetor. Strictly a manual oiler, just a pump, it works good. Basic starter, nothing fancy. Got a little 16-inch bar and chain. And the David Bradley's really looks nice on here. You see the stamp of it there. It was a basic homeowner's firewood cutting chainsaw. Very popular today for the motors because of the Kart motor that was put into it. But if you're looking for a vintage running chainsaw, American made, here's a nice one.